Hey there. Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in smart technology. Today, we're taking a close look at the multifunctional smartwatch men-women Bluetooth connected phone music fitness sports bracelet sleep monitor Y68 Smartwatch D20. This incredible piece of tech is a game changer when it comes to keeping track of your health and staying connected on the go. First and foremost, this smartwatch is your ultimate smart life assistant. It monitors your steps, calories, heart rate, distance, sleep quality, and so much more. Plus, it can easily connect to your smartphone to give you all the information you need, as well as remotely take pictures, retrieve mobile phones, and even remind you when it's time to get up and move with the sedentary reminder. With its Bluetooth 4.0 support and compatibility with both Android and iOS, this smartwatch is designed to keep you informed and on top of your fitness plan. But not all the Y68 Smartwatch D20 is also designed with your comfort in mind. The lightweight and skin-friendly soft TPU wristband makes it a pleasure to wear all day long. And when it comes to charging, we've got you covered with the quick-release detachable wristband design that allows for easy charging through a USB interface. No more hassle with carrying around extra cables, simply plug it in, and we're good to go. And let's talk about functionality. With language support for English, French, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Polish, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, Chinese, and more, this smartwatch truly caters to a global audience. Plus, the package includes everything you need to get started, including the smartwatch itself, a box, and a manual to guide you through setup and usage. So, if you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and high-performing smartwatch that will help you stay on track with your fitness goals and keep you connected on the go, look no further than the multifunctional smartwatch Y68 Smartwatch D20. Don't wait, click the link in the description to get yours today and take your health and connectivity to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and updates.